So we're here today to talk about gardening at home and how to make gardening easier. And while there's no one secret way to garden, most would agree if you have good soil, you'll have better success. So what is the soil? The soil holds moisture and nutrients, largely a function of organic matter. So adding organic matter is very beneficial. The soil is the place where all the nutrients are held. These are the nutrients that your plants need to thrive. And finally, the soil is where the microbes, the biology, live. It's amazing to think that in a single teaspoon of quality compost, there's 1 billion live organisms. So why wouldn't you promote those organisms, the health of your soil? So Activated Purple Cow is an amendment. How do you use the amendment? You use it to make other growing media better. You're improving your soil. Typically, it's 1 part of the Activated Purple Cow, 2 parts of something else. And the easiest way to illustrate that is simply 2 bags of topsoil with 1 bag of the Activated Purple Cow. Again, the topsoil is going to bring some goodness to the soil. What you're doing with the Activated Purple Cow is you're adding more organic matter, more nutrients, more biology. When you mix them together, you have the best of all worlds. What you've accomplished is you've taken 2 bags of topsoil, added minerals, biology, organic matter, so no matter where you apply this growing media, you'll have great results. Good soil, good life.